Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 3, where you will learn the tools to create your own assets in After Effects. We will be using the same project and composition we created in the last lesson. We will be discussing how to use the Shape tool, Pen tool, and Text tool as well. Just a quick reminder before proceeding the lesson, check the Edit tab in Preferences. Under General, make sure you check the Center Anchor Point in New Shape Layers. First, let's check on the Shape tool. By default, the Shape tool is in a rectangular mode, but if you want to explore other shapes, you can left-click and hold to see other shape options. Now, since we're making a ball, we'll be using the Ellipse tool for this project. Once you've selected the ellipse shape, go to your composition and click Hold, then drag to create your desired circle. Before we proceed, take note that After Effects created a new shape layer in our timeline, which we'll be using later. Right now, let's focus on improving our circle. As you can see, our circle is not proportionate and it's actually kind of oval. What we can do here is create a new one, but now we'll be holding the Shift button while creating the circle. Make sure you're not selecting other shape layers when creating a new one to avoid confusion. You can unselect this by clicking anywhere in your timeline other than the layer. Now let's create a circle while holding Shift. And as you can see, we now have a perfect circle. To keep things organized, I'm going to delete this first circle we did since we are not going to use it. And then I'll be naming my better circle into Ball. The next tool we will be using is the Pen tool. Pen tools allow us to create shapes or stroke that are irregular or more complex. You can also use the Pen tool to create masks for other projects. Now what we're going to do is create a triangle shape using the Pen tool. Of course, you can use the Shape tool for this matter, but using the Pen tool will give us the flexibility and personalization on what kind of triangle we want to create. Before creating your triangle, let's adjust the fill settings to none and the stroke settings to solid color and 3px. Once you've done this, let's go to your composition. Make sure you're not selecting other layers. Then draw or click 3 points anywhere and make sure they're connected to create a triangle. As you can see, we have created a triangle line instead of a shape, which is another style option for us when creating our own assets. Before we end this lesson, let's name our new shape layer to the triangle. Now, we have our own shape and the line layers in our composition. See you on the next lesson.